and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm sneaking in an extra video. I have a reason of sorts. So I have been talking on my Whip and Waffles when we've been waffling and chatting. I have been talking about the fact that I did want to try at some point a Diamond Art Club mystery painting. But when the ones I'd seen, or the ones that were constantly available on the website, while the artist's work was stunning, it wasn't my style, and therefore I felt getting one of their mystery paintings would just be for the sake of a mystery painting, not because I loved it. And due to the cost of these, that's not the best way to do it. They're not cheap paintings, so it is, and I buy all my own Diamond Art Club paintings. So I've just hung fire, and it's been one of those, one will come up eventually. Well, one did. So they released a couple of mystery kits. I think they are out of stock. I don't know if they're reprinting them ever. They seem to have changed the way they've notified people on their site. They don't now say if it's limited, discontinued, whatever else. It gives them more scope, I'm guessing, for when things come up and they can re-release. So yeah, I did get the mystery kit Abstract Ocean. Now I'm not going to showcase the whole canvas because I don't want to disappoint anybody that can't seem to turn this video off and has this painting also, but I also don't want to disappoint myself because I don't know what the painting is. It is by Megan Duncanson. I did look up her artwork very quickly before I purchased. I had a quick Google. She had some artwork shown. I pretty much liked everything I saw. Yes, I had favourites, but I liked most, if not all of them. So I decided, yeah, this is one that I'll take a risk on. So it's going to be a bit of a different unboxing in the fact that, as I say, I'm not going to showcase the whole canvas. And I have sneaked it in because what I am going to do is I am going to kit this up. The video of kitting it up won't come up until July because I have my June waffle. I don't have any more schedule space in my YouTube schedule to slip in the kitting up. But I do want to do the first section of this on a Whip and Chat. So I'm going to do it on Sunday's Whip and Waffle. I'm going to do the first section. It's going to be covered up so that, you know, doesn't spoil the image for anybody, me doing the Whip and Waffle in the first sort of bottom corner. And then it's going to be completely off camera until it's completed. And then it will come with the appropriate warnings. So it says, thank you for purchasing one of our mystery kits. I've never had one of these little slips before, but then again, I've never purchased a mystery. It says, seeing a blank mystery canvas come to life is a fun and unique experience we're confident you'll enjoy. We only print a limited number of each design during a single production run and won't restock any mystery kit that sells out. So therefore, you'll be working on a collector's piece that only a select few possess. Ooh. As a kind reminder to help preserve the element of surprise for others, we'd sincerely appreciate if you don't post any spoilers or photos of these mystery kits in our Facebook group. However, you're more than welcome to post on your own social media. I won't be posting anywhere. I have too many people that follow me or that are in the group. So the only place that you will be able to see what this image is from me will be on here when I have completed it, and it will come with the appropriate warnings. So I will make sure that I de-kit the diamonds first and then give a warning before I show you the finished image. But we have one of their new toolkits, and you can tell because they're in these bags you have to rip open. So these tend to come with some washi tape. So this one is a little love. We've got wax, squishy, diamond painting tray, tweezers. Oh, we've got a bright yellow pen in this one. We've got some baggies, quite a few baggies, a couple of multi-placers, and I've got a flower cover minder. So let's bob all those together because I do use my own tray, pens, etc. So I'll bob that away to be passed on. There's no point in keeping that one in the box. I've got my little sticker. I do use these on the end of the boxes if it goes in my stash. But in this case, it's not. It's getting kitted up. So this is going to run alongside my Dreamer Designs one. To be honest, I'll do the first square on Sunday's Whip and Waffle. And then it wouldn't surprise me if I don't actually do any more for a while I'm working on my Dreamer Designs. Okay, so we've got thank you for your purchase. Ooh, even the symbols are in black and white. I kind of like that. It has 58 different colours. There is some ABs. I think there's 5 ABs. And I'm pretty sure this one also has the fairy dust. One of the new diamonds from Diamond Art Club. And that's what I thought the unboxing is worth it for. There may be others that have unboxed and showcased the fairy dust diamonds, but I haven't. So just to show you what the canvas is looking like, that's the sneakiest peek you're getting. There is actually some coloured symbols on here as well. They seem to be mixed in. I'm trying to, oh, they're not. Oh, that's actually quite interesting. So I say, I'm not going to uncover more. But if you look, the backgrounds are different colours, but they're actually just one symbol. So maybe that's helped to disguise it a little bit more. So if you can see, we've got what I call the pin, little pin for sewing. That's actually all the way across. Some of them are orange, some are white, some are blue, and some are pink. That must help to disguise the image. I like that. I do think that from a distance you may still be able to work out what some things are, so I'm not going to risk it by unboxing the whole lot. But it is very interesting that it has all these different colours mixed in with, maybe to put you off a little bit. But yeah, that's all I'm showing of the canvas. I don't want to spoil it for anybody, and I definitely don't want to spoil it for myself. Let's have a look at the diamonds though. Now already, if we look at those colours, you can imagine, if you followed my channel for a while, I'm going to enjoy doing this painting. I absolutely love doing paintings full of colour. I find them the most enjoyable ones to work on. That's what I find. They're the ones I love to actually do. I might display more ones that are a little bit more subdued, so they may become the artwork in my home. Though, having said that, Cosmic Trip is probably going up on the wall, and that one is bright. I've also got my eye on a couple of others from Diamond Art Studio that may end up on my wall that are pretty bright. But in general, yeah, I just enjoy doing the bright coloured ones. I'm trying to see if I can find the fairy dust diamonds. I'm sure it said there was a fairy dust. And one of the numbers on here is a Z3766. So I'm not sure if that is it. But let's have a look at which ABs I can find, because Diamond Art Club do tend to do them by weight in the strips, so they're all mixed in. So we have 129, which is a pale yellow AB. So that's one AB found. Say, I'm sure there was about 5. Oh, 125 is an AB, and we have 3 bags of those. So we're going to have a lot of AB in that one. That's obviously the biggest AB. And that's so pretty. It's nice to have a light colour that's different to white. So that's 2 ABs. So the rest are potentially in this smaller amount. Let's have a look. Where are we? Oh, it's not a white fairy dust. I was looking for a white fairy dust colour. It's not. It's this blue. I'm not sure if you can see it. So this is the Z colour, 3766. It has what looks like a very fine glitter coating over the top of all the diamonds. That's what it looks like. I've seen it in images in a white. I haven't seen it in a blue, but that is so pretty. That's a little bit different. So Cosmic Trip had some rhinestones in it, which were different, and it was nice. There wasn't too many. I like the extra bit of sparkle. I don't like too much extra sparkle, but this is a very subtle one. That is pretty. I hope that is going to pop on the painting, but that's the fairy dust. And then I have an AB in a pink. So that's what? 3. I thought there was 5. Maybe it's my numbers. What number did I have? Oh no, 154 is a normal DMC number, so it is me. Because they often use numbers for ABs, I thought the first 5 were ABs, but they're not. So there's 3 ABs. We have a hot pink, a pale yellow, and lots of pale blue. And then we have this gorgeous blue colour, which I must say that is a really nice colour on its own, with the fairy dust coating. So I will say I'm going to be kitting this up soon. I may end up doing it straight after this video. We shall see if I have the time. But if you want to stay tuned, I will be kitting this up. I will be doing one section of it on this Sunday's Whip and Waffle, which is the last one before my June waffle event. And I will have my sections covered up with cover paper. I will make sure that the only section that's visible is the section that I'm going to do on that Whip and Waffle. So I figure if anywhere's not going to spoil it for somebody, it's going to be the bottom corner. But of course I will give the true warnings, so if you don't want to watch, you don't have to. If you've got this kit, maybe use it as an excuse to kit it up, and you can do the same section with me or do it before me. And then, yeah. And then you won't be disappointed. But bear in mind, I will have to roll this the other way to get to the end that I'm going to start. Because I can't start on the bottom right. I have to start on the left. It's just the way my eyes turn the symbols. But anyway, thank you for joining me for this little sneak-in unboxing. This arrived a couple of days ago. And I think I've been very patient, only just opening it now. But thank you all so much for watching. And I'll speak to you all again soon.